In this video, I will show you how to adjust cut sensitivity in Recut. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from GuideWise. You want to upload your video to Recut. You will then see all the cuts that Recut has removed. And if it is cutting too much, you want to go to the top right and you will see intensity. You can then slow the intensity down. And if it is cutting too slow or too little, then you just slide the slider to the right, which makes the cuts faster. You will then see it highlighted in pink, what is being cut out. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.